Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been like decades since I've done a long video and something where I can talk because I like talking. So basically I created this channel because I wanted to talk and I had no friends, and it's still the same. Like I have friends, but I cannot talk to them totally about what I feel because I don't know why. But I can't. Even if I can, I just don't feel fulfilled after you know what talking. So I want a mass to listen me, but what happened is it's been a year and this channel has not grown yet, so it's kind of heartbreaking. I don't know, I tried everything which people told me. They were like, create this, so I created that, but it still didn't work. They were like, post every day, but I posted every day, but it still didn't work. So I don't know if you have seen or not, but back around 4 to 5 months ago, I started creating the shorts and about what I do in a day. But it was very cringe to me. So I actually had to do my skincare. So I created it for, I don't know, at least 10 days. But I don't think there was a good response. I don't know. Like there was a good reach of that. But I think that was cringe to me. Because I would not want to create something which I myself would not like to watch. So it was not very great for me to post. So what I did was I deleted everything, whatever was there in those videos. I deleted everything. Then I thought of creating something which is which people like, right? Like about self-care and all. I don't know, I deleted that as well, some videos of that as well, because I thought this is not what people would like to watch. I don't know. But I do not care so much about judgments. But I don't know, when it comes to YouTube, I've become a bit cautious. Although I do not have many followers or subscribers, but still it affects me because if it reach if it is reaching the masses, then it has to be something good, right? So yeah, that's it. That's a life update. And now also, I thought that I need a good setup. I need good lighting. But then I saw people with not so good setup and not so good lighting are also growing. But why am I not growing? I don't know why am I not growing. I started posting on Instagram as well, but it still didn't work. I don't know why is it not working for me. But I will not be losing hope. I will still be posting things because miracles don't need many days. It can happen in a single minute, right? So yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's a life update. And if it is anyone, I would like to know what you people like to watch, so I would create that only. But I cannot promise you great lighting and a great setup because this is the only place I'm living in and it's a bit of a mess here right now, and I don't have time to clean it right now. So that I think that's the only setup you will be seeing. Yeah, I like talking about many things, but see, if there is someone in front of you and asking you about anything, it's quite easy to talk about anything. But if it's only you and the camera, you just don't get the ideas. It's a bit of a task. So, but yesterday I did a poll on Instagram. Maybe 2 3 people replied. I was like, "What are you worried about?" So one of my like the person I know, he or she wrote, "I will not disclose identity," about people around me. So about people around you, I don't think you have to be. It happens when you are very like in a juvenile stage, or you have gone out of house very recently, or you have not seen the world. It happens because after that you become kind of a pro. And if you can't, then you still need to learn. So what happened was, she was like, he or she was like, "Ki, I am confused about people around me, so that's why I'm worried about." So I think worrying about people is the least important thing we can do, because whatever place you are in right now, like I am here, I will not be here forever. I will not be with those people forever. Eventually they have to die, I have to die. So what's the point of worrying about them? Like what college has taught me is, see, you, even if you do not talk to a person, even if you dislike a person, even if you hate a person, you do not like someone's external appearance, someone's ideology, still you, one day or the other, you can get some kind of important task to be done by them only. So you cannot go up front to their face and say 10 things about themselves. about them, that you are like this, you're like that. You cannot do that. So when dealing with people, we have to be a bit cautious about what comes out of our mouth. And that doesn't mean that we have to entertain the bad people in our life. If you do not think you can get along with this person, you do not have to entertain that person. And if you get some kind of work from that person at any point in your life, you can just go and ask for it. Do not be hesitant, because people do come to us as well. Like, I know people who have not talked to me in years and never in their life, and they come to me for work, and if I am a good person, I will do it for you, right? So it doesn't have to mean that you have to be very like good to everyone. No, if you don't get the vibe, don't be good to them. Like, don't consider them. Just be like, huh, he exists, it's okay. I do not want to talk good about him, do not want to talk bad about him, do not want to talk good to him, do not want to talk bad to him. That's how it happens. And if by any chance you're in a situation where you have to deal with a person that you dislike, then see, first of all, self acceptance is very important. If you will keep on like exaggerating the fact that I don't like this person, I don't like this person, I don't like this person, you will not get the time to understand what the situation is. You do not like the person because XYZ is the reason, right? And what can you do right now? You cannot back off. If you can, very good. If you cannot, then also good. Because it will teach you patience. So try to learn things which the other person is trying to teach you, either directly or indirectly. If I do not like my boss and I have to work with that boss and I cannot leave the job, then here comes the concept of boundaries. I have to work with him, I have to maintain my boundaries, and I have to keep my patience in check. So I think that's how things work while dealing with people. So that was the one point which I thought someone would want to know, and that's how I portrayed it. And also, I don't know, I think I will be consistent, but I don't know if I have to put long videos or the short ones, because in shorts you cannot completely communicate what you want to, because it's a 1 minute thing. So it's kind of tricky and hard for me, and long videos not reach many people and many people don't watch it. I do not know what to do, but never mind, guys. I'll try my best, because I'm a fighter. I've never given up in my whole life ever. So with YouTube also, I will never give up, because I will tell you an instance of my life. Like, when I was a kid, I was very shy and a very quiet kid. So once in my life, like, I am from like a rural area, so everyone from that area used to study in one school only. So my mother was like, no, my students won't be studying here, they will be shifting to another school. I forgot about my makeup. So yeah, so that happened. And things happened, my father agreed and everything happened, we got admission in another school. So there was a person from my neighborhood, no, not my very close neighborhood, but from my locality, who said something like, why is her parents wasting so much money on her? Like, she's so dumb, they should consider the fact that she won't be able to cope up with the kids in other school. Just because I was quiet, they interpreted me as dumb. And see, that is kind of, the worst thing happened was, the other lady who told my mother about this told this in front of me. Yeah. And this kind of stays and in my head rent free, and whenever I try to do something very good in my life, the thought still haunts me. Like, if I will achieve 10 achievements, I will not be considering that. But if I fail exam, or if I have put a lot of efforts in my YouTube video and that doesn't work, then those words come and haunt me, like, remember that aunt once told about you that you are a bit dumb and investing on you is not worth it. So I'm like, yeah, exactly. But no, it is not the reality, and I am giving assurance to myself every day that it's not the reality. It's about what you perceived about you. After that, you have achieved many things in life. Like, I will not be sharing everything right now, but yeah, I have achieved things in my life which other people's haven't around me. Even if they had, I have my own story. So this is not the reality, and I'm showing it to myself again. This is not the reality. Things happen, you fail many a times in life, because failures are important. If you don't never fail, you will never know what achievement feels like, right? If you're always succeeding, then you will not know what's the importance of succeeding. Because, like, I never failed an exam in my whole life. Yeah. So I never I never like felt like what failing feels like. But recently I could not clear an exam, and now I know what failure feels like, and now I'm empathetic to people who fails in life, and now I understand what other people feel when they fail in life, right? Now I cannot be like, oh, you failed, I don't know how it feels to be failed, but I passed. No, I cannot do that, right? Because I have failed once and I know how to talk to those people, how to understand those people. So yeah, that's right. That's all. And currently I have around, I don't know, uncle, sorry for the mess, but yeah. And currently I have around 160 or 170 subscribers, and I wish the number grows. And can feel I can feel the taste of success and many subscribers, because every creator who is putting in efforts, if I'm talking and investing my time, I want to grow, right? So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. You're very nice people who listen to my whole video. You have my whole heart. I don't know how heart is done this or that. I don't know. This is also cringe to me, but I'm doing it because I don't know. I feel like doing it. I do not have to think about things which I want to do, and I will feel like, do I do it? Even if I do it and I regret it later, I can undo them. Like I can delete this video. I can cut that part from my video. But not every part of your life. You cannot go and slap someone and you cannot undo it. No, you cannot do it. Undo it. So sometimes you have to make decisions on the basis of what's possible and what's not. I'm not an expert, guys, but yeah, I like talking. So yeah, thank you for listening to my, I don't know what, rant or something. But yeah, and I wish to grow. If you have seen this video, I have never said that, but please do subscribe because I want to grow. I want myself to reach to other people. I want to like buy a big light, a big setup, and that's only possible if I start growing and if I start earning. I don't know. And any kind of suggestions are welcomed if any it reaches anyone. So yeah, thank you guys, and I hope I look good because I have to edit a video and create a reel. So yeah, thank you. Bye bye.